What did the Tyrannosaurus Rex really sound like? Now, Tyrannosaurus Rex was a theropod in the late Cretaceous, but you all already know that because it's literally the most popular dinosaur in movie franchises and paleontology in general. Now, that begs the question. They didn't really sound like the bloodthirsty monsters that they were in the movie. In fact, T-Rexes couldn't even roar. Most likely, Tyrannosaurus Rex just had like a alligator gurgle, if that makes sense. Alligators start to hiss, but they never do a roar. That's only with mammals. So, sadly, no, you cannot get that W roar from the T-Rex in real life, but it's still a menacing apex predator that will rip your guts out. Like and subscribe.